What up mga idolo? For today's video, we're gonna talk about dry cleaning on turbocharger. This is a daily maintenance of the generator when it is running at nominal load or full load. And also, this maintenance focuses on the exhaust side of the turbocharger and clean the carbon deposit building up on the turbine wheel or nozzle ring. Now we understand what is the purpose of the dry cleaning. The next video will show you how we do it. First of all, this is the special tool for the dry cleaning, and this is the nutshell or walnut shell. So we are using nutshell because this is a natural soft abrasive that once you inject it inside the turbocharger, it doesn't affect the metal parts inside, only the carbon deposit it removes. So the first step in doing the dry cleaning is to fill up the chamber on the special tool with nutshell. An important reminder is to close it properly once it is full. That is because if you will not do this one and the chamber will pressurize, there will be a big tendency that it will blow out from the cover. That is also the reason why we use face shield in doing this kind of maintenance. The next step is to connect an air hose from the air supply. Once the air hose is ready, check the line if there's a water trap inside. The next step is to drain the accumulated water on the pipeline for dry washing. It is very important to drain all the waters, that is because it can cause clog up on the pipeline. The next step is to attach the special cleaning tool on the pipe for dry cleaning of the turbocharger. And also that includes connecting the air hose on the other end of the special tool. And now open the valve from the turbocharger and inject the nutshell inside the turbocharger by slowly opening the air supply. The flow of the nutshell must be slow and steady. Be aware that if you fully open the air supply, there will be a big chance for surging. So be careful. Again, safety reminder is to use a face shield to avoid eye injury. And once you notice that the chamber is empty, close the valve from the turbocharger and the air supply. Confirm that the chamber is empty. And the last step, after detaching the cleaning tool, do not forget to drain again the pipe for dry washing cleaning. This is just to make sure that there's no carbon deposit accumulated on the line and also to avoid clogging. So that's it guys. Bye-bye.